Hi, Mike Collinson here again with the second of my videos in this series. As you can see, I'm starting to make progress with reducing the ground levels and clearing the site, but it's a lot of hard work and it'll take time to finish. I probably moved 4 cubic yards of soil to the garden area and filled one 6 cubic yard skip as well, so about 10 cubic yards in all. At nearly 1.5 tons in weight to a cubic yard, I've already shifted about 15 tons, but a long way to go yet. Although it's very early on in the project, I thought I'd have a chat about the costs involved, even before starting a project like this, as it may be helpful to others starting a decent sized extension. The first thing I have to do is to employ an architectural technician to draw up the plans and submit for planning. The cost of this was £550, and in addition there was a £45 fee for a copy of the ordnance survey map, and then a fee payable to the council of another £172. Once I got the planning permission, that took about 2 months, I then gave the go-ahead for further detailed plans to be submitted for building control. This is for the inspections. The cost of the plans was another £395 plus £216 in council fees. There was one unexpected cost that I hadn't really considered. Because I need steel girders to support the roof, I had to have a structural engineer to provide extra drawings and calculations. And the total of that comes to £504. At the moment I'm still waiting for final approval for the building control, but all the plans have been submitted, so I'm allowed to start work. When they do come through, which will probably be in the next week, I shall have to make another final payment to the council of £300, which is payable on the first inspection. So as you can see, it's not an insubstantial amount, even before you start work. I hope it's been helpful to someone. If you've enjoyed this, please subscribe and hit the little bell icon to receive further updates, and please hit that like button as it helps me get further exposure. Thanks for watching, and look forward to another update soon. Bye.